Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this hairstyle. I have done the same hairstyle in previous videos, but this time I have slowed it down. So I will be showing you guys an in-depth kind of like walkthrough of how to braid exactly. It's kind of like a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys do learn something, and I hope that is as clear as I would like for it to be. And don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay. Y'all seen me. Clark Kent, Superman. Clark Kent, Superman. Oh gosh, Lord. Oh, my life. At any rate, I'm going to do this without a mirror. So, I have a mirror in front of me. However, I kind of want the camera to stay in focus, so my eyes gotta be like this with the camera. So, my makeup today, I did not do a video on it. It's literally just powder, some concealer, and a shit ton of powder, actually. Not a shit ton of powder, I have dry skin. Anyways, I'm saying everything that does not matter. We're gonna start off by parting this hair section. And normally when I'm doing this hairstyle, I don't necessarily care for how it looks or how it's split in the back, just because I just don't care. You know? It's alright to not care. It's alright to not look perfect. Yeah. But if you do, you are more than, you know, welcome to split it up properly. Okay, so I guess I'll just, see what I'm saying? Detangled hair, and I still have to pull out these hair knots. Okay, I'm just gonna clip this one here. Okay, so hairstyle is, well, not hairstyle, but part is good. We're gonna get moving. I'm weird. Oh Lord. Okay, so you can choose to do this before or after, to gel your edges and everything like that before, or after you braid. However, I find that it's a little bit better just because whatever leftover hair does not get pulled into gel, you just pull it into the braids, and it's easier that way. And I'm going to be using the Eco Style gel, the one with olive oil. Bomb shit. Excuse me, I cursed so much. Bomb. Reason why I love this so much, and I did just get put onto it, so I guess I haven't been on the, you know, black girl necessities in a minute. Because I used to use the clearer one because I thought it would be similar, but the clear one, flaky. It makes my hair so flaky. I'm pretty sure it makes everybody else's hair flaky, but you know, who am I? So, sorry guys, I had to mute this part of the video just because my aunt called me and we were having a full-blown conversation. But yeah, I'm just gelling down my edges. Alright, so with the gel, we're just going to, you know, just sweep it up. And okay, so let's go ahead and start braiding. And like I said, it just looks really clean, and just kind of when you put gel in the front, just to hold your edges down and just to make it look clean. Regular braid, you need 3 strands, 3 separate parts to do the braid. So now we're gonna do ones out, and then we're gonna grab it with the other one. And now this part that's out, we're gonna put it underneath and then grab the other one. And then we're just going to keep doing the same process. It just, as the hands move, another strand goes under and under. And then you just want to make sure as you're going along to just grab the hairs from the sides and to just make sure that You don't have to braid your hair too tight. I don't braid my hair tight, even though it can look like it. But, and so you're just gonna keep grabbing. And then make sure that you're grabbing from the back. And just to make sure that you're the reason why I say to make sure that you're grabbing it is simply because, you know, all the hairs are not just all my hair. You can essentially do your hair in a part where you can, as you're braiding, everything is just coming together because it's all one line. But since we're doing just a regular just regular 2 braids or whatever, it's not essentially even like that. So you just need to make sure that the braids that are on, or the hair that's on the inside, you're grabbing it and putting it into the braid. Now, the best way to braid your hair like this or any type of cornrow is to always make sure that your hair is detangled. Am I balding right here? I guess I'm going bald. And another reason why I really love doing this hairstyle is that I could do this Monday through Wednesday, and then Thursday I take the back out and kind of just leave it out in a bun, and then the front will be twisted. And then by Friday, for if I want to, I can take my hair out, put it in a ponytail, and that's it. And another reason why I like this hairstyle is that you could just go to sleep, just wrap your hair, and go to sleep. You'll wake up in the morning and go. And those are my favorite types of hairstyles, where you can just get up and go. Okay. And then we're just going to braid the ends. Now, this isn't going to be like a perfecty kind of braid, because I don't like my braids to be perfect like that. It's just, I feel like if it looks a little interesting, a little out of place, like I don't know, I just think it's fun. So how y'all been? That's a really important question. Me, if you want to know, I've been alright. Hanging on to life by the edges of my edges. So yeah, we can twist it up or we can leave it down. Essentially. I find this side to be a little bit harder, just because it doesn't come together as this side. But you see how easy and quick it is? Like I will try not to fast forward or cut any of the, because literally this is like a 5-minute braid. This is like a 10-minute hairstyle. It's really necessary because we are all busy folks. And I don't know why it's flashing like that in the background. Okay. And we're all busy, you know, so it's easier for us to just have, and by us, I mean women of color, to have a hairstyle, and especially with women, and it's not, well, yeah, technically just women of color, because I think women who are fair skinned, who are white, or whatever, have, you know, just hair that you could just get up and go. Me, unfortunately, and I say this with the heaviest of heart, I cannot just go to sleep, and I really wish I could, because I hate doing my hair, but I cannot just go to sleep with my hair out and wake up and go. I cannot. Like, I wake up with my hair like this, and not even will it be like that, it will be so tangled up. And the reason why my hair is so straight like this is because what did I do with my hair? Oh, my hair has been in braids. Like, I washed my hair this past weekend and it's been in braids the whole time. And so whenever I take my braids out, my hair is like straight. Not straight, but stretched. That's a proper term. Stretched. Okay. Stop talking. Let me go ahead and do this side. Now, remember I said this side is a harder side to do because it's not as thin. It's not as thin as the other side. And what I mean by thin is like the hairstyle is, you see how it just starts right here and it just goes. This one is just like a really big. See, this is what I hate. Yes, I know. Wet my hair. It was wet. I promise you. And it was detangled. And then this is the mess that I deal with. Oh. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to get started. This is, I hate being on this side, but for the filming purposes. Okay. This side is not gonna look as good as the other side because once again, it's kind of like a thick piece. If it's out of focus, then I am sorry. And then we're just going to do the same thing that we did on the opposite side, which is just braid and braid and braid. And so I'm most likely going to just, once I find something, I'll clip it up. But essentially, these are my two braids. Another thing I should mention, if you guys do want your hair to be braided tighter, I don't like my hair to be too tight. I always feel like it's coming, kind of like it's pulling at my scalp and it's hard for me to sleep. So these braids are relatively loose. That doesn't mean that they're done bad. I just like my braids to be a lot looser than most. So that's why they look kind of, you know, just big or whatever. But I like the way they turn out. That's how I always like to do my hair. So